During this meditation, we will focus on cultivating full awareness, reaching that quiet point where you become completely present in the here and now. Find a moment in your day where nothing will distract you. Sit down or lie back, whatever feels most comfortable. If thoughts begin to come and go in your mind at this point, just observe them from a distance. Now, gently bring your attention to your breath, especially to that space between each inhale and exhale. Inhale through your nose for a count of 4 and exhale for a count of 6. Don't force your breathing. Let it flow naturally, just as it is. As you focus on the space between inhaling and exhaling, you may find yourself distracted by thoughts. That's okay. Visualize those thoughts as colorful balloons, separate from you. And then let them go. Let them float away. You are here now. You are not controlled by your thoughts. You can recognize that they are simply that, just thoughts. They come from you, but they do not own you. You are the one in control. Acknowledge that truth and gently release them, as if letting the wind carry them far away. Now become aware of the flow of blood inside your body. Feel the rhythm of your breath. Notice the way your clothing touches your skin. Feel the surface you are sitting or lying on. Become aware of the way your body is supported. Notice any scent that reaches you. Take in the colors you can see if your eyes are open. Tune in to the subtle details of the sounds around you. Feel the temperature of the room or the air touching your skin. Now, spend a few quiet moments simply being yourself, fully aware of everything within you and all that surrounds you. This is what mindfulness is. And when you feel ready, begin gently returning to your normal state of awareness. Carry with you the confidence that you can return to this mindful state anytime you choose.